Today we are going to see how to set the equipment used in flux-cored arc welding process. What is flux-cored arc welding process? Is one of electric arc welding process whereby the arc is obtained between consumable cored electrode and the base metal connected to a welding machine through the cables. This welding machine is different from MIG-MAG welding machine in terms of electrode being used. As you have seen, in MIG-MAG welding process, we use the solid wire. While in flux-cored welding, we use cored wire. What do I mean by cored wire? Means this electrode has flux inside of it. It's different from this one is the solid. Even this one, you can cut it. It is very simple. Because inside of it there is powder known as flux. To differentiate it from the solid wire, this is the flux-cored electrode. Inside of it there is some powder. While this one, you cannot, it can bend, but you cannot break easily unless you use a plier. So this one, it is very easy to break because inside there is a hole. If you remove the flux, it's very simple. This is the main difference from solid wire to core wire. And then we are going to see how we can install this core wire in the welding machine. Normally this welding machine, it can be called MIG-MAG welding machine when we use the solid wire, but if we use core wire, it is no longer being called MIG-MAG, is flux-cored arc welding machine. The procedure for inserting this electrode, we have to open this. You insert. And then you insert this wire in the feeder. You have to be careful. And then you do it gently. And then you can on the machine. Again, you use inching. Now we have the wire outside. We connected the welding gun on it. Again, we continue to use inching. Again, you open here. Now it is outside. Now we have our electrode outside. Again, you can use manual or you can use automatic. And then you stop. Again, this one, because it has the flex inside of it, it can be used without using the shielding gases, but it's better to use the shielding gases and flex cover inside, so that in the case of one phase, another one will prevent the atmospheric contamination of the molten metal. And then you close this one before you start to use. Again, you have to adjust here and here. Again, we are using CO2. The earth cable will be connected to CO2 work. And then for the gas, if you are going to use double protection, it means by using the flex and shielding gases, we have to open, and then by using the gas checker, and then we can increase the gas. Again, you can use (10 liters per minute). And then this is how we set the flex cover arc welding machine. If we're going to use this one, you have to cut this one or take it back. After setting, after putting all the equipment, accessories, you off the machine and then you prepare the workpiece to be welded. This is the end of how to set the equipment for flex core arc welding process. For next time, we shall discuss about how to do bead weld by using flex core arc welding process. Thank you for attending my class.